pass, or there's a truck, a garbage man, and look at this. It is completely going around it. That is awesome. Okay, so I think making a left here, I'm gonna navigate to this new supercharger. Thank you for tuning in. If this is your first time, if this is your second or more time, welcome back. We appreciate it. Supporting the channel, supporting what we're doing. But either way, this is 2020.44.15.3, and the 3 is for beta users. Made a left. Let me turn that a little bit lower. So we're gonna head to a new supercharger, 250 kilowatt, and I'm gonna be doing hopefully a continuous drive. That would be the goal. Yeah, so this is the 5th build of FSD Beta, and this is the 5th build of FSD Beta, and pretty exciting overall because it's made lots of improvements. There's parts of my drive that have only gotten better since this launch, so I'm excited for that. But the reality is that here we're going to be making a left-hand turn. Okay, and actually I was noticing it was kind of getting a little close to that curb, but it made the adjustment a little bit over. I could feel that turn. So hope everyone had a good Thanksgiving. It's definitely been an interesting year, but still lots to be thankful for. Okay, so it's going to go over this lane. A little rugged there, but I think that's been the good and the bad of FSD Beta, is it sometimes tries to, or just in general trying to find that middle lane. And in those areas where the lanes are really wide, it sometimes has confusion on what that is. There you can see the biker going across on the visualization. Okay, here we go. Turn green. Get to this light. It was hilarious actually. So we had some family over visiting, and one thing that was interesting was I tried to do the Model X Christmas show, and for some reason it was not playing. So I don't know if it has to do with FSD Beta disables it, but I did reboot my computer, so I'll have to check that out later today. But just an interesting observation. I mean, obviously I'll See if that's true or not later. We just got through another light. So we have made, what is it, 4 left turns, straight left turns. Not planned, but definitely we've made 4 left turns. And I had strategically started at the top of that hill because I knew there was a garbage man there. So I had, followed it, went around it, and then, wanted to see FSD Beta go around it. So it got in the furthest left lane.